Miss Geboy, weather rates certified 11 years in a row.
Here at home, we need to find a different way to beat the heat because that water is so precious right now.
Yes, indeed, and it is hot. Thomas?
Yep, got up to 102 in Salt Lake City, but we're getting cooled off right now, not because of just the temperature cooling down, but because a thunderstorm is working its way in, and in fact, a severe thunderstorm warning that now encompasses the western side of the Salt Lake and Utah valleys. We're looking at a few showers and storms in south central Utah, but the main focus is definitely the severe thunderstorm, and it's actually a cluster of thunderstorms that are now moving over the Ochre. So if you're in northern Utah County or in Salt Lake County, you need to be seeking shelter from this storm, because out ahead of these thunderstorms, we're going to see those outbursts of winds that could be at or even exceed 60 miles per hour. Patchy blowing dust is likely, visibility is going to be reduced, and then we're likely going to see some times of heavy rain. So can't stress enough, if you're in the path of this storm, make sure you're seeking shelter. And if you know of anybody out on the roadways, let them know. It might get a little bit rough here relatively soon. And as we go through the rest of this afternoon and move throughout the evening, we're going to hold on to at least a marginal risk for severe storms, mainly in the northern half of the state. And then as we go into tonight, that chance for showers and thunderstorms will begin to go down. But the thunderstorms that are approaching the Salt Lake and Utah valleys have had a history of producing very strong wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. And we even had a storm that moved through the southern half of the Salt Lake Valley and the northern half of the Utah Valley a little while ago that produced a 68 mile per hour wind gust in Draper. So these thunderstorms, they do mean business, and you should be taking them seriously. Here's the view from downtown Salt Lake City with our doTERRA camera. You can see the thunderstorms rolling over the Ochres, currently sitting at 99 degrees. So that temperature definitely hot. It will cool down when we get that outflow winds, and we've already seen a few wind gusts around 40 miles per hour in Salt Lake City, even though the sensor right now is not necessarily working. But again, we've got thunderstorms moving into the Wasatch Front, and in central and in southern Utah, the heat advisories and the excessive heat warnings, those are continuing through 9 o'clock this evening. But in southeastern Utah, those will continue through 9 o'clock tomorrow evening, as tomorrow will be another day with high heat, maybe just not quite as hot compared to today. And even though the excessive heat warning in St. George will be going away, you're still going to find a daytime high of 108 for our Saturday, climbing to 100 degrees in Salt Lake City. Mostly dry skies across the state. There will be at least a few isolated showers and storms, mainly east of I-15, but then monsoonal moisture is going to start to work its way into the Beehive State, most notably Sunday into Monday. That's going to result in a slight chance along the Wasatch Front. I'm thinking that best chance will be from Salt Lake County southward, Utah County, actually a pretty decent chance possibly by Monday. Then down in St. George, that chance for showers and thunderstorms will only increase, and by Monday, a pretty safe bet that we'll see those showers and storms as that monsoon moisture gets filtered in thanks to a high pressure to the east, a low pressure to the west. The question is, in northern Utah, with a high pressure sitting just off to our northwest, it might limit the amount of monsoon moisture that's able to work its way into the northern half of the state, so we'll keep a close eye on that. But as we go into this evening, the chance for showers and thunderstorms will go down as we lose the daytime heating. Just be weather alert in northern Utah over the next few hours. Then for our Saturday, the best chance for showers mainly in eastern Utah, and it's going to be isolated in nature. But notice what happens as we move into Sunday. That moisture continues to move in, and in central and southern Utah, pretty good chance for those scattered showers and thunderstorms. If you have any outdoor plans throughout the Pioneer Day weekend, especially in southern Utah, Sunday into Monday, you need to be weather aware. But in St. George, we'll look at breezy conditions with a hot day climbing to 108, then 103 for our Sunday. Daytime highs dialing back into the 90s as that chance for moisture continues to increase. And then along the Wasatch Front, partly cloudy skies with the temperature near 100 degrees for our Saturday. A slight chance Sunday, Monday into Tuesday as those daytime highs will continue to hover right around the century mark.